Complement your outfit with these cool boots by Dirty Laundry. They feature a synthetic and textile upper with a round toe silhouette and wide open collar with stretch panels on each side for easy slip-on and a comfortable fit. They have an all-over reptile print, giving you a trendy and fashionable look you'll want to show off this season. Inside there is a textile and synthetic lining with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. The chunky platform midsole is lightweight with a translucent and ribbed design. They also have a sturdy and durable build that's made to last with about a 2-inch boost in height from the block heel at the back. It's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that has textured lugs to keep you stable. Wear these with a long slitted skirt.